Good morning, pond peeps. Hey, we're out today running around doing something a little different. We want to show you some of the different things we do. Usually we build, rebuild, fix, repair ponds and waterfalls, but we also do maintenance. Today we're going to run around and show you some of the maintenance stuff we do, just because I'm checking up on it and seeing how it goes. Let me know if you like this stuff or the other stuff. Leave a comment at the end. We're actually at our first stop of the day, so let's get out here and go see what's going on at this pond. All right, we're gonna go back here in the backyard. We're gonna look at this pond. We had some rains recently, so we're gonna see if they affected it or see what's going on. Okay, here's our first good sign. I hear it running. That's a positive. I'm looking down here. We got a lot of runoff from this hill, a lot of dirt at the bottom. I'm a little worried what it did to the pond.
Oh God. Look at that step. I didn't see that thing there. Okay, what do we got, Pondman?
All right, just walking up on it right now. I'm looking at it. It got a lot of dirt in it. It's got a lot of silt because this thing was cleaned out not 3 weeks ago. But we've got a hill behind this one and the dirt washed into the pond. We're going to have to re-clean this. The pond itself, the water's crystal clear. It's an aquascape ecosystem pond, so it works great. But when that dirt, which isn't covered, flows into here, there's no way to stop it, no way to filter that out. Look at this. See, that's just too light of a dirt for the filter to catch because it's not flowing. So what we'll do is that we'll actually suck out portions of this and run it through an external filter and pump it back in. All right, guys, I'm actually on top of the skimmer here. I'm gonna take the lid off and see what it looks like on the inside. Actually not bad at all. I'm gonna put out the skimmer net. See, there's almost nothing in there. This is good sign, good sign. Okay. All right, I pulled the filter pad out and it's got that mud in it. So I'm just gonna rinse that out for right now. All right, guys, this filter pad is filthy. Now that I'm looking at it, I can see this thing's old and needs replacing. I'm gonna clean it out, and when I send the guys back to do more work on this, we're gonna put new filter pads in this pond.
So what do you do?
Right now, I'm just rinsing it out. Look how easy that blows it out. See, it's easy to clean, mainly because it's just dirt. It's just silt. But this pad itself is in real bad condition. Okay guys, let me tell you what we're gonna be doing with this pond. Even though it's dirty at the moment and I'm here to do maintenance, I'm afraid to touch it because it's just gonna get worse again tomorrow. We're not done raining here for the week. So this dirt that's washing down on this hill is gonna continue to wash down. San Diego generally doesn't have this kind of rain. So the landscaping isn't designed to hold runoff like this. They've got the problems, it's gotta be fixed. Until then, we can't do a whole lot of stuff on this pond. But this video isn't over. We've got a couple more stops to make. I wanna drag you guys along, show you something that's going on there. Maybe it'll be something cool, you never know. Okay guys, next location. Here we are at a brand new account that we got at a retirement community. It's got a great big pond. We're still getting familiar with it. Let me show you what this thing looks like. I don't see a problem with this today. Maybe a little bit of skimming, but that's it.
What's special about this place?
This retirement home is great. These people, I don't know how many hundreds of them live here, but they have the backdrop of this lake back here, and they have their own little private lake. It's beautiful. To give you guys an idea of where we're at, if we look over this lake.
There we go. So those big mountains over there?
The tops of them, yep, that's Mexico.
That's crazy.
Never know this we're here. Nice place. Okay guys, we just threw in some bacteria, start colonizing the gravel in the bottom of this pond. It's winter time, so it's slow, but it'll catch and it'll take over and it'll start cleaning it even better. You know, I'm looking forward to this particular pond. Here in about a month and a half, I'll probably drop in 30 or 40 water lilies. Before we get to that point, we're gonna change both those skimmers up there. So this is gonna be gorgeous. I just can't wait to see what happens. Then after that, or somewhere in the middle, we start colonizing with koi. And we want small stuff and we want big stuff. We're gonna have a bunch of them out here. This is gonna be fun. We're in that same retirement community facilities here. We got a pond over here that we're gonna be yanking out and replacing with an ecosystem pond. This is a typical concrete pond. Been in there 25, 30 years. It leaks like a cloud. It will not hold water, so we gotta get it out. We get to make a new one. All right, guys, I'm keeping a little bit of quiet because people are out here relaxing and resting, but this all comes out and we get to put in a brand new waterfall. I'm thinking double waterfall even. This is gonna be nice. All right, guys, I got over there to that waterfall and I got stymied a little bit. I wanted to show you some more of it and what we're gonna do, but there were people out there relaxing and resting. We just didn't want to bother them. So I come back here to tell you a little bit what's going on. We're gonna be pulling the whole thing out and putting in ponds and waterfalls, maybe even a pondless. I really haven't decided what I'm gonna do there, but it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna replace all that cracked concrete, all that cement rock, all that stuff's gonna be gone. It's gonna have flowers, water lilies, bird of paradise, all kinds of color in there to cheer them up when they're sitting out there. That's gonna be a fun one. But for now, we're gonna head down the road to one more maintenance account and see what's going on over there. Bam, we're back, guys. Now we're at the final stop of the day. This is an apartment complex. We got a couple old water features that we do maintenance on. They're concrete and rock, so they're old style, nothing outrageous. Let me show you what they look like. So we're gonna walk around the corner here. I can hear it running, and we'll see what's going on. Starts up here on the top, water's flowing down. Looks pretty good. I can see we got leaves blowing in here, plugging up our outlets. So we'll have to do some skimming. Nothing major, get a skimmer net and pull up the leaves that are floating. Looks like it's gonna be all right. Here's what we got to pull out. All these leaves and stuff that blew in here. It's gonna be an easy skimmer job, but let me show you what I really like about this job. Check this out. All right, guys, this is my favorite part of this whole project. Check this out. Is this nuts or what? California, I don't ever want to leave. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. We usually don't do this type of stuff. If you like our maintenance stuff and want to see more of it, give me a comment at the end. Remember, to see more of our videos, go down here and click this. Do me a favor, click this one and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this stuff. I'll see you later.